morning.
Good morning and another day in Tokyo. Today we are at Kash's second dream destination in Japan, which is the Warner Brothers studio for Harry Potter. So we were actually going to do Universal Studios. We were only going to do Universal Studios for Harry Potter mainly. And when we compared, this place was far better because they have the movie-like sets, a lot of detail when it comes to Harry Potter. So we chose this location. Kash chose this location. This is her day today.
Very cold today. It says it's 8 degrees but feels like 0.
Yeah.
And there is like wind blowing. The skies are all hazy. There is no sunshine at all.
So we landed here. We had to get some, hot coffee. So we went
Landed.
by train, I meant. Brain not braining right now because of the cold. In peak season, I've read that tickets can get sold out. So it's better if you book online. We've done it through Klook and ours was booked for 3 p.m. However, they do let you enter 1 hour before your slot if there's, less crowd inside. It's really cold. So we're waiting to go into the warmth. All right, so that is right now situation. We'll show you how the studios look from inside.
As soon as you enter the premises, there's a reception and help desk at the beginning where you can also store your bags. There's a restaurant which looks just like the Great Hall where you can grab something to eat before your tour. It'll be like you're actually in the movie. There's also a merchandise store where you can get everything Harry Potter, anything that you can think of. Your cloaks, your jackets, your t-shirts, artifacts, games. I mean, there's a million things to list. You can also get your own personalized wands if you would like. And yes, you can engrave it with your name as well. For a Potterhead, what more do you need? The tour begins with entering a waiting area, which is full of beautiful pictures and portraits from all the Harry Potter movies. They also have cute little fun facts that you can read while you're waiting. Because I was standing first like a good girl, I got to actually open the huge doors to Great Hall, and there began our magical experience. You see your flags, your banners of all the houses. You see life-size figurines of Professor Dumbledore, Snape, and McGonagall. After which, you also get to create your own live portrait. You also see the moving staircase, which is like a huge part of the Harry Potter movies. And it was truly magical to be a part of this entire experience. We got to be a part of the actual Quidditch game, which was played by Harry in his first year. We were the audience that were cheering for Harry and booing Slytherin, obviously. I think we did a pretty good job being the audience here, but we'll let you be the judge of our acting skills. Maybe not. In the next part of the tour, we visited a few rooms which showed us the technical aspects of all the Harry Potter films. It had detailed scale models and actual sets of the rooms of Hogwarts. Looking at all of these details, it just shows you how much effort even the smallest details would take to create the experience that they have created for the audience. It also gives you a fresh perspective and a newfound respect for the makers of this magical world of Hogwarts. The next part of the tour took things up a notch as we entered the Enchanted Forest. This place was both eerie and fascinating. We got to meet Hagrid, Buckbeak, the Centaurs, Whomping Willow, and even the Dementors. if that was not enough, we also got to meet Hagrid's very special friend, Arid.
Hagrid has never sent men into a hollow before. Go. I think not. My sons and daughters do not harm Hagrid on my command.
Okay, so we are halfway through the tour and I've got myself some black coffee. We've got this chive and cheddar chips, portion of fries. This is something crazy. This is green Fanta, one burger. I think it's beef, some fries, pickle and sauce. And Kash has got, this is buttermilk, butterbeer?
Buttermilk fried chicken.
Buttermilk fried chicken with 2 dips, fries, lemon, and I think this is like pickled ginger, maybe. Yeah, so this is our meal inside Warner Brothers Studios. Recommend to get it. Really reasonably priced, and the tour is long, so you will need to, fuel yourself with food. So yeah. So we are halfway through the tour. We're going to eat our quick lunch and then move to the rest of the tour. See ya. Post-lunch, we continued our tour by visiting some more iconic places like Hagrid's Hut, the Hogwarts Bridge, Number 4 Privet Drive, and of course, Kash's favorite, Platform 9 3/4. Hello from Warner Brothers Studios. We entered this place at 2 and it's right now 6:15, so 4.5 hours. And I think I'll let Kash say, how was the experience?
I am just in awe of this place. It's like a dream come true for a Harry Potter fanatic like me. Like, my entire childhood was just Harry Potter. So this place is beautiful. It does as much justice as it can to, the entire Harry Potter universe, the behind the scenes, the books and the films and everything. So if you are a fan like I am, this place is a must visit if you come to Tokyo. Like,
Absolutely.
hands down. Forget Universal Studios, forget Disney Sea. If you have a choice to do only one, then
Pick this one. Pick this one for sure.
For sure.
We've We've done a lot of shopping as well from the studios here. We've got some official merchandise which we'll show you guys later. But yeah, so 4.5 hours still feels less in this place. So now we're gonna head out from here and call it a day. What timing? Normal. Do a spell. Swell. Which house are you from?
Gryffindor.